Kuala Lumpur, some 122,000 Year 1 pupils were identified as not having mastered basic reading and writing skills, according to the Education Minister. And she said that a total number of almost 30% children were screened and identified through the first phase of intervention program for the first 3 months in the 2024 academic year. And out of that, only 40% successfully mastered and resumed in regular classes. So another 60% have not mastered and continue another 3 months intervention program. It's worrying, right? We're wondering, in case you're wondering, how's the mastery of reading and writing skills in Genius Aulad? Because Genius Aulad is the pioneer of early childhood, Islamic early childhood education in Malaysia for almost 25 years. So it is important, this news is very important for us, and it is very relevant for us to know where is Genius Aulad. So in terms of this year, this is December already, so we want to know for the children, for the 6-year-old children in Genius Aulad going to Year 1, how's their mastery level for reading and writing. We will go through with Bahasa and also English. Okay, English first.
So based on the data that we have, we are actually at 95% of the children actually are able to do basic writing for English, and also actually 91% of them can actually do basic reading. And then for Bahasa, it's around 94% who's able to do writing, and around 95% can actually do Bahasa reading.
What is considered as mastery in reading for English?
Okay, how we classify them as mastery in reading English would be, we have our own reading books called starter words. So those who can actually read a book level 5 and above are actually master readers, because in that book itself they have if they're able to read the book, it means that they're able to understand punctuations, they're able to actually read with intonation, and they are able to read without much guidance.
That means they are good to go to the next level of their education. What do you mean by mastery in writing?
Okay, beginning of the year, we may have tracing, yes, like any other preschools, but when you say mastery in writing, basically they can actually write simple words on their own. Okay, for example, in Genius Aulad, we actually suggest to teachers to assist the children to write their day, and then, how on the whiteboard we have the day and the date, and then children have to copy it on their workbook. Early of the year, the teacher would actually assist them, but starting second term, we actually suggest for teachers to allow the children to write themselves the days and the date.
Spelling?
Okay, yeah, we also have spelling, and spelling also starts in second term again, which also highlights that children are able to understand and write simple words. Hence, they can actually do spelling and reading.
Sounds like they can go to university soon. Okay, so now mastery for Bahasa reading. What do you mean by that? Mastery in writing Bahasa.
Okay, reading Bahasa, what's different compared to English is that Bahasa uses suku kata. So the sooner they understand the concept of suku kata, understanding what sounds suku kata makes, it's faster for them to actually read. So by the time they are in second term, the 6-year-olds, they are actually able to read simple words because they are able to understand the different sounds that suku kata makes.
Writing?
And for writing, again, same thing. They learn suku kata. Hence, once they are able to understand the suku kata, they are actually able to write their own suku kata and make simple words out of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Not to forget, they are also reading Jawi.
Yes.
They are also at the same time writing Jawi, read Quran. I mean, they read the Little Qari, our book Little Qari, right, towards reading Quran mastery. So, wow, there are a lot of subjects that they are learning. And let's give our children the support that they need.